Welcome to AI Friend. In today's video, we're diving deep into how to use ChatGPT to create a full brand identity, from naming to logo design and visual identity, using Timber and Beef, our premium beef burger brand, as a real case study. Let's dive in and start creating. Step 1. Naming your brand. Every great brand starts with a strong name. We asked ChatGPT to suggest 10 unique brand names for a premium quality beef burger line, and we went with the one that stood out the most, Timber and Beef. It's bold, memorable, and instantly evokes rustic wood-fire grilling. You can guide ChatGPT with keywords like premium, beef, rustic, or smoked, and it'll generate powerful name options tailored to your brand vision. Once we locked in Timber and Beef, it set the tone for everything that followed, from the slogan to the logo to the packaging design. The name gave the brand its voice. Step 2. Slogan creation. Now that we've got a solid brand name, Timber and Beef, it's time to give that name a voice, and that voice comes through your slogan. A slogan is more than just a catchy line. It's your brand's promise, a one-sentence story that captures what your audience should feel, expect, and crave. For Timber and Beef, ChatGPT helped us create Where Woodfire Meets Prime Beef. Powerful, right? It connects the cooking method with product quality in a memorable way. With the right name and now a powerful slogan, Timber and Beef is starting to sound like a real living brand. And again, this was all brainstormed in minutes with AI. Step 3. Crafting the brand story. With our brand name locked in, Timber and Beef, and a powerful slogan that speaks for itself, ChatGPT did something brilliant. It asked, would you like a brand story or a short marketing description to go with it? Of course, we said yes, because a brand without a story is just a product. A story gives it depth, emotion, and a reason to connect with your audience. The result? A clean, emotionally driven story that told customers exactly what Timber and Beef stands for: quality, heritage, and the primal joy of a perfectly grilled burger. It's the kind of narrative that doesn't just sell food, it sells the experience. Step 4. Tagline creation. Once we had the name, the slogan, and a beautifully written brand story, ChatGPT surprised us again. It asked, would you like to create a tagline to go along with your brand? That's when it clicked. While a slogan is more advertising focused, a tagline is more public relations focused. Short, sharp, and memorable. We instantly loved Taste the Craft. It's not just words, it's a rhythmic punch that mirrors the brand's visual and sensory identity. Your tagline is like your signature, and with AI, you can try hundreds until the perfect one feels right. For us, Taste the Craft was the one. Step 5. Logo design with AI. Now comes the moment every brand lives for, the visual identity. ChatGPT chimed in with, would you like help brainstorming a simple logo concept or a brand color palette idea next? Naturally, we said yes. Because a logo is more than a design. It's the face of your brand. It needs to express your personality, your vibe, and your story instantly. So we let ChatGPT guide the creative direction. It suggested a powerful concept for Timber and Beef, an emblem-style badge, rich in earthy tones, with rustic textures and a nod to wood-fire grilling. We then prompted ChatGPT to generate a professional logo based on that very concept, and the result was nothing short of stunning. We refined the style further by requesting a transparent background, bold contrast, and a clean emblem-style layout for packaging use. The final result? A logo that looks like it was designed by a $2,000 branding agency, but it came straight from AI. Step 6. Packaging design with AI. A great brand doesn't stop at a logo. It lives through every touch point, and one of the most powerful? Packaging. Whether it's a burger box, a sauce label, or a delivery bag, the way your product is wrapped tells your customer what kind of experience to expect. So, ChatGPT helped us visualize how our new logo and brand identity could come to life on real packaging, from burger boxes to takeaway bags, making the brand feel instantly tangible and premium. From the name to the box in hand, Timber and Beef was now a full brand, built in minutes, not months, thanks to ChatGPT and creative AI tools. From a blank screen to a brand that looks like it came out of a top-tier agency, and all of it powered by AI. We didn't just build a logo, we built a story, an identity, a vibe, That's what happens when you combine the right vision with the right tools. And the best part? This isn't just about burgers. It could be your fashion brand, your tech startup, your dream cafe. ChatGPT isn't just smart, it's your creative co-founder. So if you found this inspiring, imagine what you could build. Hit that like button, subscribe to AI Friend, and turn on notifications. Because every week, we're using AI to build real brands, products, and possibilities.